Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Please stay. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, share, comment, all that good stuff. Let's keep growing this community together. Shout out to the sponsors of today's video, Jessie'S Wig. They sent over this beautiful gorgeous unit for me to try on for you guys. I'm going to tell you guys every single detail about this hair in a minute, so please stick around for that. The wig came in this box, and as usual, for some goodies, we had some eyelashes, a beauty blender, of course wig caps, some makeup brushes, and the wig. This is the Glueless Clear Crystal HD Lace Curly Human Hair from Jessie'S Wig. I got it in a 24 inches 13x4 full lace frontal and in 180 density. The wig came with a very big adjustable band, which I really liked, and a couple of combs inside for better grip. Let's get into how natural this lace front looks. The wig came already slightly pre-bleached and pre-plucked. Then I went ahead and just did a bit of tinting with my little mixture, which I've shown you guys on my channel before, and it didn't take me 30 seconds to achieve a more natural looking lace front on this hair before going ahead to install. You guys, I have to really comment how natural this lace front is. This is it on my head even before I do any form of styling or gluing or melting. It just looks already very natural. The scalp is also very good looking, as you can see, and the parting goes deep inside. When it comes to density, this hair is also very full. For a curly wig, it's not supposed to be too heavy because, you know, it already has this like full look on its own, and this hair is as lightweight as wigs can get, but then it still has a very full look. I went ahead to just trim the lace a little bit at the sides. I didn't actually lose any hair from the wig doing this before going ahead to install. My installation process is easy as usual. I always use got2b spray to hold down the wigs because I just prefer a glueless method to installing my wigs, especially because I take them off pretty much every day at night before going to bed, so there's no need for something more permanent than got2b, and it pretty much does the job. This took me less than 10 minutes to finish, like installing and the entire process, and I have the results that I want. If you want to see a detailed video about how I install my wigs using this process, I'm going to link that video in the description box below and you can check it out. Please enjoy the rest of the process. Thank you.
When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you tell me what I want, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes and the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. you, can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you, can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like your ice in the wristline. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like your ice in the wristline. Sounding like your ice in the wristline.
Yeah. What's the worst case scenario? Plan out in your head how it's all gonna go. So you think you got it covered, but there's always something new that you discover you've not thought about. You can never figure out every possible outcome, and you're so scared you'll get it wrong. Have a good time, but a worry after. Petrified, will they think I'm awkward? When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste. Something unexpected happens, you can't let it go. Caught up in your own distractions, you already know that you're gonna think about this for a while. While you try not to lose your mind, not to believe the lies that you tell yourself, that you tell yourself. Have a good time, but a worry after. Petrified, will they think I'm awkward? When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Try to calm down, thoughts spinning faster. Terrified, hide it with laughter. When your brain's wired for disaster, even good things leave a bitter taste. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste, yeah. Even good things leave a bitter taste.
I'm gonna have all the details and the direct link to this wig unit all in the description box below. You can also look out for a discount code. It's gonna be somewhere in there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.